As always, we're going to start today's meeting with our quote for the week. This week's quote comes from motivational speaker and author Les Brown. What Les said was, focus on where you are going, not where you are. For some of us, 2020 has presented its share of challenges. If you find yourself feeling skeptical about where you are right now, know that that is normal and it is okay. Maybe you're right where you need to be in order to go where you need to go. You know, it's funny, that's how life works sometimes. I have no way of knowing everyone's situation out there. I will leave that up to the creator. But some of you might be just starting out in insurance sales and you're finding yourself a little bit overwhelmed. I know I was like that at one point. Or maybe you're not having the OEP you had hoped for, even though I hope that that is not true. But I'm going to tell you what my mom used to tell me, and she told me this many, many times until it sunk in. It's not over until it's over. Keep the faith because faith can move mountains. Focus, guys, on where you are going, not where you are right now. If you stay faithful to your goals, they will be faithful to you and it will pay off. But just remember, things don't happen overnight. And unfortunately, we have to be patient. So I ask you guys to make sure that you are taking Les Brown's advice and focus on where you are going. What is the end game, not where you are right now. Welcome again, my friends, to Motivational Monday. I hope you all are happy to be here with me as I am to be with you. I missed all you guys. I haven't seen you in a few weeks. And I'm not seeing you now technically, but I know you're out there. I am just really happy to be with you, and I hope you guys are happy to be here as well. Just as we do every single week, we're going to review the tips for the week. As for our sales shout outs for the week of November 23rd, we're not going to have any sales shout outs for this week. And the reason why is that a few of our members and many of our members spent some very deserved time off for the holiday with their families. But no worries, they will be back next week. And last but not least, we're going to review our sales topic for the week. And guys, it is a good one. How to increase your commissionable premium and protect your clients from those very expensive what-if situations. We're going to start off right now with our tips for the week. So what we have here is it looks like that NatGen is offering an incentive if you sell their Access Fixed Indemnity Plan. Some like to call this plan a no deductible plan, and mainly because there is no deductible. There are first dollar benefits with this plan. That's what makes it so awesome. There are no limits on the bonus I like that. I'm going to say that again. There's no limits on the bonus you can earn when trying to earn this particular incentive. And to qualify for the incentive, you only have to sell just 10 policies. Now, depending on the product sold, that is what's going to determine what your payout will be. So there are three different products: the value, the fundamental, and the enhanced. The value, after you've sold your qualifier of 10 policies, you will earn $50 for selling for each plan that you've sold, including that initial 10 policies. For the fundamental plan, you'll earn $100. And then for that enhanced plan, you'll earn a whopping $150. But guess what, guys? There's more. If you sell supplemental plans, and we're going to talk a little bit about supplemental plans today. If you sell supplemental plans with the Access plan, you're going to earn an extra $20. Now, just make note that The supplemental plan that you sell must have a minimum of $18 in monthly premium in order to qualify for that $18. Guaranteed issue plans, they are not part of this particular promotion, so there are no incentives when it comes to selling the guaranteed issue plan. So I wanted to make sure you guys were aware of that. Occidental has something really nice for our agents out there. It looks like Occidental Insurance Life is offering cash with their monthly sales recognition program. Now, they have 3 different levels that you can qualify or earn. I guess I should say earn. And that's the silver, the gold, and the platinum. Now, if you sell $7,500 to $9,999 of paid annualized life premium in 1 month, you'll earn $50. If you sell $10,000 to $19,999 in paid premium in 1 month, you will earn $75. And finally, but not least, if you sell over $20,000 in paid premium, you will earn $100. You guys, I got to tell you, that's why I love selling insurance. You know, a lot of times there's not very many businesses out there that once you've made your commission, there's extra money you can earn. With insurance and with our carriers out there, they do a really great job at making sure that even though we get the commissionable in, the earnable commissions, we also get all this extra stuff. And I absolutely love it because I love extra stuff and I love money too. So there we go. Now let's turn to our sales topic for the week. Our sales topic today is how to increase your commissionable premium and protect your clients from expensive what-if situations. So Lisa, what are you talking about this week? Let's see. ACA plans and short-term medical plans, they really are the core products that we sell. People looking for insurance will be best suited for one of these products, either the ACA or the short-term medical plan. But if that is all you are selling to your clients, I'm going to tell you guys you're missing out, and you're missing out big, because you have a great opportunity in earning great commissions, typically higher than those that you will get on those short-term medicals, and definitely higher than you will get on an ACA plan. So I want you guys to think about that because it's a great opportunity when you're selling those extra products. But before we go into that a little bit deeper, I want to mention something that I think is pretty important. During OEP, there's traditionally a lot of attention on attracting new clients, and rightfully so. There's a lot of opportunity to grow your business this time of the year. It's absolutely great, and you should take advantage of that. I hope you are. But also budget time for your existing clients as well as some of your former clients. I can't go with talking about OEP and selling insurance without talking about our existing and our former clients. It is just as important, if not more important, that you spend time with your existing customers and former customers too. Many clients, many agents that I talk to, and they will tell me this, they are afraid to call their existing customers because they think if they call, they're going to open up Pandora's box and bam, they're going to lose a sale. They're going to lose, all type of residual income. And I'm going to tell you guys, that's just not true because this is the fact out there. I guarantee you, if you are not contacting your clients, someone else is. Let's take a quick look at premiums and residuals. I want to paint the picture here. Premiums, you guys know, are the earnings that you earn on new business, and those residuals are wonderful because that's that continuing income that you earn on existing business, and that's a substantial part of your income, and that residual income can add up. And let me tell you something about just me. Changing something within my health insurance plan or adding supplements is something I absolutely do every single year. And the reason why I do it every year is because I'm learning something new every year. And I'm always looking for ways that are going to get greater benefits for me and my family. This year, now I've been selling insurance, but not health insurance. That's the story for another day, but I've been selling annuities and things like that for over 22 years. This is the first year that I've actually got critical life insurance, critical insurance. And you would think that that's crazy because I've known about insurance for so long, but I didn't know the benefits of that particular insurance. Now, here is another thought for you. I've had some agents who have asked me, going along with what I'm saying here, Lisa, why do you waste so much time on your former clients? Why do you talk to your former clients about, anything? Really focus on those new clients. Bring that new, fresh meat in. The reason is because my former clients, I do this because my former clients know me and they know how I do business. They also know what I've already done for them. And this is just like your former clients and your existing clients, they know you. And to really put it simple, this is your low-hanging fruit. These are quick, simple, easy sales, and it's a great way to show awesome customer service. If you take care of your clients will take care of you. And this goes for your new clients, your existing clients, as well as your former clients. As health premiums increase and provider networks are shrinking with ACA plans, your clients depend on you and more than likely need more attention this year than any other year before. Because with COVID, with just all the different changes and updates and things that we have going on with insurance, they need help. Just like I needed help with my critical illness insurance. You can help them. You can help them by saving the money. You can help them by maybe moving them into a plan that's a better network. You can also add those very valuable ancillary products to help them with those expensive what if situations. And we're going to get a little bit deeper into that in a little bit. Just a simple phone call to these clients can bring great value, can bring loyalty to you for a very, very long time. Okay, now products we should learn about. Now, every time I talk to customers personally, regardless of their situation, I'm thinking about how can I best help them and their family, which ultimately is going to help me and my family. And I'm sure all of you guys are sitting there at your computer and you're saying, well, duh, Lisa, that's what we all are trying to do out here. But what I'm going to ask you guys, are you really, really doing that? And that's only a question that you can answer. As health insurance agents, we already know that our core products are those ACA plans and the short-term medical plans. These two plan types really give our clients the satisfaction of knowing that they can go to the doctor. If there's an emergency, they can go to the doctor. If they need a medical procedure, they have that opportunity to go to the doctor. And their insurance will cover either all or a portion of their costs. But that is not our only job as agents. We have a fiduciary responsibility to help make our clients informed customers. I'm going to say that, informed customers again, because that's what I was not. Otherwise, I would have had critical illness insurance a long, long time ago, knowing how important it is. What I'm saying, guys, is that our clients don't know insurance. They don't know it. As much as we think they do, as much as they think they do, they don't know it. Most of them don't have a clue as to what is available out them It's challenging for us to keep up with what is available out there. I'm a perfect example if you think about it. Before getting into insurance, I only thought my only options was my employer offered healthcare plan. In my employer offered healthcare plan, they didn't talk about critical illness insurance. They didn't talk about fixed benefit plans or accident insurance plans. They didn't talk about any of those things. I didn't realize that these were things that I needed to protect my family. And guess what? I was your client, guys. I was uneducated and I was terribly afraid of change. And so are your clients. It's your responsibility. It takes time, it takes patience, but it's your responsibility to make sure that they know about these products. When it comes to our fixed benefit plans, I want to go over a little bit about some of these plans a little bit and give you an example of how you can help some of your clients with these plans. Take a client with a fixed benefit plan. Take a client, say with a family of 7 and earning an income of about 65,000. I don't care what state you're in, most likely they are going to earn a very nice subsidy. So that means there's a possibility that there's disposable cash out there that you can offer them things that's further going to help them, especially with those expensive deductibles that ACA plans can have and just other expensive copays and things like that. You need to turn them on onto how they can make money with a fixed benefit plan. If they bundle a fixed benefit plan with their AC plan, every time they go to the doctor for a covered benefit, they get a check. They get paid. I'm going to ask you, do you think your customers know about this? I really doubt it because I didn't know about it and I was in the insurance game. I am in the insurance game and I didn't know about it. So make sure you turn those clients on to that. So even if you have, and so many times people think that if they have a client that qualify for subsidies and they're on an ACA plan, that there's nothing more that they can actually offer, but there's plenty more that they can offer. Let's look at the critical illness plan. Heart attacks, strokes, cancer, there are our top 3 illnesses in the United States. One of these illnesses hit every single family in the United States. That's huge. Why not sell your clients a critical illness plan? You know that there's a greater possibility of it affecting their family than not. It really just makes sense. And trust me, your client is going to thank you for just doing this for them. They're going to be appreciative to the fact that when they call you and tell you that this is their situation and you inform them that you have a check on the way for $30,000 for them because of that critical illness plan, they're going to love you. If you ever wondered, and I did, if you ever wondered how brokers have been in the business, top brokers, I'm not talking anybody, I'm talking top brokers, how you've wondered how top brokers have been in the business for 20, 30 years and they're making 7-figure incomes. Here you go, guys, I'm giving it to you. It's because of this stuff. Now, truth be told, God forbid, we don't want any of our clients to come down with these illnesses, but history dictates that it's more than likely that they will. But if they did, they're going to talk about, first of all, that illness for years. But guess what else they're going to talk about for years? They're going to talk about the product that you sold them. They're going to talk about the hero that you were to help them pay their bills when they were at their worst time and they had no other options. Many of our clients, let's go to accident plans. Many of our clients out there, when you talk to them, they find great joy talking about how much they work out. Maybe they're cyclists and they like to cycle, or they talk a lot about their rambunctious children who tend to get in things that they still can't figure out how they got into the situations that they do. Accidents are always waiting to happen, unfortunately. How do you think your client will feel if you tell them that their ACA plan deductible or their short-term medical deductible will be covered when they have that cycling accident? They don't have to pay for it because of that accident policy that you sold to them. I guarantee you, if they can't physically give you a hug, they'll give you a virtual hug. These what if situations happen every single day, and they are happening to your clients. Protect your clients, and it is a win-win for everyone. Lastly, let's talk about dental insurance. This is usually an afterthought. And sometimes you sell these after you sell the major med plan, whatever is best for your client, along with the ancillary products, that critical illness or that accident plan. You might come back in a follow-up and talk about the dental plan, but you're missing out on an opportunity to help your clients, but you're also missing out on incentive by not selling this particular type of plan. You have no idea how many agents I talk to on the phone, and I'll say, hey, so how did that call go with that client that you were talking about? And they'll say, yeah, that client, really, they were okay. They didn't have any needs at this particular time. They liked the plan that they were on. And so, I didn't get a sale out of that. And my next question is I always ask them, so what type of dental or vision plan did they have? And there's always silence. There's silence on the phone. And they'll say, Lisa, darn it, I didn't ask him about that. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I like my teeth. I know you like your teeth, and I bet your clients like their teeth. And for those of your clients who have bad teeth, they probably want better teeth, and you have the power to give it to them. Dental plans are one of those sticky products clients appreciate to be for a very, very long time. One more reason you can also stay in touch with your clients, both former and your existing clients. So what's in it for you if you do this? Better commission, customer retention. You talk about all these supplement products. They're all sticky products. They make it harder for your client to leave when you sell these products. They make it very hard because it's good for them. It's good for their family. So when you do it right and you sell these things to your clients along with their major medical plan, it's harder for them to leave you. You're going to get more residual income. And finally, you have happy, protected, and well-satisfied customers. I'm going to take this just a little bit further. Can we say referrals? Because when you do this, your clients are going to talk to their friends about that. But I'm not going to go, I can go on to it. I can do a whole presentation, an hour-long presentation on referrals and the benefit of referrals, because it is absolutely crucial in growing your business. Those top agents that we talk about, they're not on the phone making hundreds and hundreds of calls every single day. Business is coming their way because of what they did for their existing customers. Word of mouth, oh my God, it is unbelievable. Make sure you're doing right by your customers, and all of these things that I mentioned are there waiting for you to grab. But remember, it takes time and it's step by step. Lastly, what's in it for your client? Peace of mind. And having a trusted advisor that they know that is going to do the right thing for them. And guess what, guys? That's you. That is you. So go out there, make sure that you are talking to your clients when it comes. There are plenty of what ifs that I can give you, But when it comes to helping our clients, we can't just talk about the major meds. We can't just talk about the ACA and the short-term medical. I know it feels good. I know it's easy. I know sometimes it's just comfortable, but challenge yourself a little bit further, just a little bit, and learn, first of all, learn about those critical. Pick just one carrier. I'm not saying you need to know all the carriers, just pick one carrier. And with that one carrier, learn all you can about their supplemental plans, everything you can, and then inform your customers about it and watch what happens. Watch what happens to your book of business. Watch what happens to your income. Watch what happens to your life. I'm not joking, guys. This is a real thing. So, all right, I'm off my soapbox. I'm very passionate about this. It's very important. I hope you guys enjoy today's Motivational Monday. I hope you found it informative, and I also hope that you found it to be motivational. As always, if you guys need to reach us for anything, if you have questions, if you want to talk about anything, we're here for you. Always. Just go to training at ahcpsales.com, or you can call the number on the screen that is up there right now, and we are ready and willing to take any questions that you may have. God bless all of you, and stay safe and have a wonderful, prosperous week.